TSUYA is a magnetic hook system that holds any types of cases and tools for automobiles, carpentry, saws, jigsaws, power tools, hand tools. We're going to show you how to assemble it. It's very simple to do. They come in gray, orange, and other colors. You may check online for further detail. They are packaged in plastic to protect the product. This one's in gray. As you can see, it has a rubber protective over the metal. It has a small hole on top and bottom and a large hole on the inner top and bottom. They're very strong. They go on either way to the top or bottom with the washer, the lock washer, and the nut. Use an open-end wrench, socket, or crescent wrench to lock things down. There's a right way with the number facing out and a wrong way to put a nut on. This unit can hold up to 22 pounds. They have north and south magnets, 3 of each, total 6. And when they snap together, they are very strong indeed and hard to pull off. We show you some scenarios on how to use the product. This is the magnet. It goes on to the door. This is the very heavy pole. It's over 22 pounds. Put it towards the back. As you can see, it's going to slide down. But it is holding nice and strong. It is slowly sliding down over the weight capacity. A drill, a hammer, a very heavy case of sockets, it holds pretty strong, but this may be over 22 pounds. Please don't max out the capacity of the hooks. They will hold the weight, but some items will slide on surfaces. A socket set. To a simple tape gun. I like to hang my barbecue stuff up, so I put it on a nice surface. And I'm able to put my utensils so I can grab it anywhere possible. Make sure there is nothing obstructing and it will hold perfectly. No matter what you want to use yours for, they can withstand water because they are waterproof. Over time, when the sun will hit things, they may oxidize the color, but these products will outlast and work quite well in the conditions you put them in. I hope this is a product that you may be looking forward to hang and organize your tools, a magnetic mount, wherever you want to place yours. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.